Calculating circular area on tonight's homework. I'm going to do problem number 9 with you. Problem 9 says find the area of the shaded region of the circle and use 3.14 for pi, so we're going to estimate using 3 and 1400ths. Round your answer to the nearest tenth. So the shaded region of the circle is not the whole circle. What fraction of the circle is it? That's the first thing you need to think about. If we extend these line segments, you can see that this shaded region is 1/4 of the circle. It's half of the circle, so it's 1/4. So we're going to use our formula for area of a circle. Area is equal to pi r squared, and find the area of the whole circle. But then once we do that at the end, we'll divide by 4 to find the area of this shaded region. We're going to substitute in for these values, and it asks us to approximate using 3.14, so the area is approximately equal to 3.14 multiplied by the radius, that is what's being shown here because it shows from the center to the edge is 5 centimeters. Let's multiply by 5 squared. Take that from there, find the area, and then divide by 4 to find the area of this quarter circle. Do that during the pause and then come back and see how you did.
Paused.
So continuing our equation, area is approximately equal to 3.14 multiplied by 5 squared is 25. We'll do that over here. 4 5s is 20, carry the 2, 1 5 is 5, plus 2 is 7, 3 5s is 15. Now I'm multiplying by tens, so I'll start with the 0 in the ones place. 4 2s is 8, 1 2 is 2, and 3 2s are 6. Adding these up, I get 0, 15, so there's a 5, carry the 1. 1 and 5 is 6, and 2 is 8, 1 and 6 is 7. I'm multiplying hundredths by wholes, so I have 2 decimal places here and no decimal places here. Hundredths multiplied by wholes are hundredths, so I should have 2 decimal places in my product. So 78.50, or just 78.5. But don't forget, we're not done yet. That's the area of the complete whole circle. We want 1/4 of that area. So I'll say area of, I'll just use this shaded region, area of the shaded region is approximately 1/4 of 78.5. And multiplying by 1/4 is the same as dividing by 4. Remember, dividing is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal, and the reciprocal of 4 is 1/4, so we're going to do 78.5 divided by 4. Line up my decimal and my quotient. There is 1, 4, and 7. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract, I get a difference of 3. Bring down the 8. There are 9 4s and 38 because 9 multiplied by 4 is 36. Subtract, and I get a difference of 2. Bring down this 5. There are 6 4s and 25 because 6 times 4 is 24. Subtract, I get a difference of 1. I'm going to reveal the 0 in the hundredths place and bring it down. There are 2 4s and 10. 2 times 4 is 8. And so we get 19.62. I could keep going, but we're asked to round our final answer to the nearest tenth. So 19.62. The 6 is in the tenths place. The number to the right is less than 5, so we're closer to 6/10 than we are to 7/10. So 19 and 6/10. The units would be centimeters squared, because remember, area is two-dimensional. Area means how much two-dimensional space is being taken up by this sector. How many squares could I fit inside? So we could fit approximately 19 and 6/10 square centimeters inside that region. Here's the golden ticket problem I promised.